Before watching the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Cucumbers are popular long, lean, and green garden vegetables. Technically, they're fruits from the same family as watermelons and pumpkins, but most people consider them veggies. Cucumbers have a mild, refreshing taste and a high water content. They can help relieve dehydration and are pleasant to eat in hot weather. 7 health benefits of cucumber. 1. Hydration. Cucumbers consist mostly of water, and they also contain important electrolytes. They can help prevent dehydration in hot weather or after a workout. For people who do not enjoy drinking water, adding cucumber and mint can make it more attractive. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining a healthy intestine, preventing constipation, avoiding kidney stones, and more. Cucumber is one of the most hydrating foods. 2. Bone health. Vitamin K helps with blood clotting, and it may support bone health. A 142-gram cup of chopped, unpeeled, raw cucumber provides 10.2 micrograms of vitamin K. Cucumber also contains 19.9 milligrams of calcium. Adults need 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams of calcium a day, depending on sex and age. Vitamin K helps improve calcium absorption. Together, these nutrients can contribute to good bone health. Vitamin D is also important for bone health. 3. Cancer. As a member of the Cucurbitaceae family of plants, cucumbers contain high levels of bitter-tasting nutrients known as cucurbitacin. Cucurbitacins may help prevent cancer by stopping cancer cells from reproducing. A 133-gram cup of chopped cucumber with its skin also provides around 1 gram of fiber. Fiber may help protect against colorectal cancer. 4. Cardiovascular health. A 142-gram cup of unpeeled cucumber also provides 193 milligrams of potassium and 17 milligrams of magnesium. The dietary guidelines recommend that adults consume 4,700 milligrams of potassium each day and 310 to 410 milligrams of magnesium, depending on sex and age. Reducing sodium intake and increasing potassium intake may help prevent high blood pressure. The cucurbitacins in cucumber may also help prevent atherosclerosis. 5. Diabetes. Cucumbers may play a role in controlling and preventing diabetes. It contains substances that may help lower blood sugar or stop blood glucose from rising too high. One theory is that the cucurbitacins in cucumber help regulate insulin release and the metabolism of hepatic glycogen, a key hormone in the processing of blood sugar. One study found that cucumber peel helped manage the symptoms of diabetes in mice. This may be due to its antioxidant content. Cucumbers score low score on the glycemic index, or GI. This means they provide essential nutrients without adding carbohydrates that can increase blood glucose. 6. Inflammation. Cucumbers may have anti-inflammatory benefits. Inflammation is a function of the immune system. Experts believe inflammation may help trigger the development of various health conditions, such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, autoimmune conditions, depression, and cancer. 7. Skin care. Some research has suggested that cucumbers' nutrients may provide benefits for skin health. Applying sliced cucumber directly to the skin can help cool and soothe the skin and reduce swelling and irritation. It can alleviate sunburn. Placed on the eyes, they can help decrease morning puffiness. Cucumber is safe for most people to use on the skin. People should start by applying a small amount. If they do not experience an adverse reaction, it is probably safe to use. Risks of cucumber. There are few risks to eating cucumbers. One concern may be the pesticides growers use on them. Before you eat them, peel the skin off or wash it in warm running water. That'll make sure your cucumber is safe to enjoy. Cucumbers come with a natural wax on their skin. Washing cucumbers after picking them takes away that wax, so producers add a synthetic wax back on before sending them to grocery stores. The wax helps them stay shelf-stable longer, but it also holds onto germs. The wax itself isn't harmful, but peeling the skin before you eat the cucumber can lower the risk of contamination. However, the skin is where most of the nutrients live. A better option may be to buy organic and wash your cucumber well before enjoying. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.